Amsterdam, drunk off vibe. London, England, drunk off vibe. Hit the States and we drunk off vibe. Pretty girl, broke off wine. Flex in a babe, skirt in a rave. While y'all in my face, you don't know my name. Drop down, the whole place shut down. Hey, drop down, so much love now. Hey.
What's up, YouTube? It's your gal. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the notifications. Probably tell by the way I look right now. I was not planning on recording, but I got my Ipsy box in the mail. Ipsy is a website where you go and it's like a monthly subscription, so it's $10 a month. And you take a little quiz about like beauty products and hair products and stuff that you like or stuff that works for you. And then they send you like a little care package of products they think you might like. I don't know what's in here, so we're gonna open it. I like this packaging. I thought it was gonna be an actual box, like a box. Oh, let's look at it. Okay, so it looks like I have a cute little bag, which I actually needed another one of these, and it says Ipsy on it. So I'm gonna open it and let's see. I think this is everything in the bag, so dive into your 5 glam bag picks. Here's why we think you would love it. Okay, so let me just go through this. So it looks like I've got, oh, it looks like I got a Wet n Wild highlighting powder. So it's a highlighter, so that's one thing. Okay. I like the shade too, like these like bronzy. I think but in the quiz that I took, I think they asked me like what kind of shades and stuff that I like. And then this is Brow Fix Tint Shaper. So this is for your eyebrows. Oh, okay. So maybe it's just like smell everything. Brow Fix Tint Shaper. I've got makeup all right here from the last video I did. So this is Urban Therapy. Is this Diva Curl? Twisted Sister. Curl Activator Cream. So that's the Curl Activator Cream. This kind of reminds me of Diva Curl. I don't really know, but I've never used this before. And I'm gonna definitely wait and use this on my natural hair. And see if it looks like that, because that's kind of what my natural hair looks like. It is like a vitamin C oil drops. Let me open it up. To brighten, rejuvenate, and refreshen skin. Okay, so it looks like this. Oh, it's kind of sealed. I was gonna see what it smelled like. Ooh, okay. I never used anything like that. So I think this is that stuff that people put on before they start putting their makeup on. Or maybe it's for at night use. I don't know. We'll find out. Last thing in this little bag is a Smashbox Always Liquid Lipstick. I love Smashbox. Smashbox has such good products. Their lipsticks are bomb. Their foundation is my favorite foundation that I've ever used before. It's kind of pricey. It's like $40, but Smashbox is my brand. I love Smashbox. Let me swatch it. Ooh, like that color. It smells good too. They always have the products always smell good. I'm actually gonna swatch this too. Ooh. There's a couple different like monthly subscriptions going around. Like there's Ipsy, there's BoxyCharm, Allure Beauty Box, there's Birchbox, there's Glossy Box. Like different monthly fees. They're not all $10, but I chose to go with Ipsy. It was only $10, and I will use actually all of these products, so I feel like it's worth it. It like gives you a chance to try like the travel sizes of stuff for only $10, as instead of just wasting money and buying the whole thing and not liking it. Everything is picked based off what you answer in the survey that you take when you sign up. So it should be all stuff you can use and like. Anyways though, thank you all for watching. Please remember to subscribe, comment, and share the video. Let me know if there's any other monthly subscription box that you use, or if you use Ipsy, like what did you get this month? I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.